Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something special for all you iPhone 14 Pro Max users out there. We're going to take a closer look at the Nuke 3-pack tempered glass screen protector designed specifically for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know why this screen protector is one of the best options on the market. Now, let's dive into the details of this fantastic product. The Nuke 3-pack tempered glass screen protector is tailored for the iPhone 14 Pro Max with its 6.7-inch display. It's got a lot of great features that make it stand out from the competition. First and foremost, it offers maximum protection for your iPhone 14 Pro Max's touchscreen. The space between the screen protector and the phone allows for easy installation with most phone cases. This means you can keep your phone looking sleek while ensuring its safety. One thing we all hate is fingerprints and smudges on our phone screens, right? Well, this screen protector has got you covered. It comes with an oleophobic coating that prevents fingerprints and other contaminants, making it super easy to clean. The Nuke screen protector is crafted with high-quality 0.33mm thick tempered glass, featuring rounded edges for a smooth touch experience. It's incredibly hard, with a 9H hardness rating, making it highly resistant to scratches. When it comes to touch responsiveness and display clarity, this screen protector doesn't disappoint. It offers high response and high transparency, ensuring you get the best user experience without compromising on visual quality. Installation is a breeze. The solid silicone adhesive on the back makes it easy to attach firmly without affecting the touchscreen sensitivity. You'll get a bubble-free, one-push super easy installation every time. It's important to note that this screen protector is designed specifically for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Please keep in mind that it is not compatible with other iPhone models, such as the iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Pro, or iPhone 14 Max. Now, let's talk about the price. You can get this Nuke tempered glass screen protector for just $6.89, and that's for a pack of 3. That's an incredible deal considering the quality and protection it offers. You can find this product on Amazon.com, and we've provided a link in the video description below for your convenience. Just click on it to make your purchase. To sum it up, the Nuke 3-pack tempered glass screen protector for the iPhone 14 Pro Max is undoubtedly one of the best screen protectors available in the market today. With its maximum protection, oleophobic coating, premium quality, high response, and easy installation, it ticks all the boxes. If you want to keep your iPhone 14 Pro Max's screen looking pristine and free from scratches and smudges, this is the screen protector to get. Don't forget to check the link in the description to grab yours. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and recommendations. If you have any questions or want us to review other products, let us know in the comments below. Until next time, stay tuned for more reviews.